Over 60. Early heart failure signs can hide in plain sight and they often look like normal aging. The scary part, they creep in quietly then strike loudly. Today we'll expose them before they expose you. By the end of this video, you'll know 13 early clues and a simple home plan to catch them early. We'll group them by breathing and sleep, fluid and weight, rhythm and circulation, and digestive/specific clues. Educational only, not a diagnosis. If several signs cluster together or escalate suddenly, speak with your clinician. Small actions today can prevent ER trips tomorrow. If this helps, tap like so YouTube shows heart smart videos to more seniors. Share with a friend who always says, "I'm just getting old." How your heart whispers before it shouts. Primer. Your heart is a pump. When it struggles, you see three patterns. Oxygen mismatch, you feel short of breath. Fluid misplacement, you swell or gain weight fast. And electrical misfires, your rhythm goes rogue. Early on, these patterns show up as small, odd signals, one by one, then together. That's the danger. Ask yourself right now, did something easy last month now force a stop? Are nights getting harder than days? Does your heart feel too aware at rest? A breathing and sleep, the nighttime truth detector. One breathless on easy effort stairs, a block of walking, carrying light groceries. This isn't about elite workouts, it's about progression. Last month you climbed without pausing. This month you grab the rail. Next month you plan routes to avoid stairs. That's a pattern. That's a whisper turning into a shout. Quick home check. Time your usual hallway walk. If you now need a rest or your breathing stays heavy longer than 60-90 seconds, log it. 2 or 3 logs in a week. That's not just age. 2. Can't lie flat comfortably. Orthopnea. Flat means fluid redistributes, lungs feel heavy. Your solution becomes more pillows than sleeping half upright. Comfort hacks hide a cardiac truth. Track the pillow count. 1, then 2, then 3. Your body is building a ramp your heart can't. 3. Waking up gasping 2-4 hours after sleep. Paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. It feels like your room lost its air. You rush upright. Window open, heart racing, anxiety spikes. Night makes the pattern visible. If this repeats, don't rationalize it as bad dreams. 4. Night cough or wheeze that eases when upright, often dry, sometimes pinkish froth if fluid is higher. Allergies come and go. This one follows gravity. That's the tell. Tiny fear, big payoff. Catching these night clues early prevents the hospital nights later. Be fluid and weight, the scale never lies. 5. Symmetric ankle/leg swelling by evening. Socks carve tracks, press leaves a pit for seconds, both legs. Worse as the day goes on. This isn't hot weather. It's hydrostatic truth. 6. Rapid weight gain from fluid. Plus 2-3 lb in a day or plus 5 lb in a week is your call threshold. Not dessert. Not sodium for one dinner. Fluid. Each kilogram approximately a liter. The scale is your early alarm system. Use it every morning after you pee. Same clothes, no shoes. 7. Nighttime urination out of proportion. Noxuria. You sleep, fluid redistributes, kidneys catch up at 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. Patterns beat anecdotes. Track wake-ups and volume. When nights run the bathroom show, your heart may be offstage. Home fluid plan simple. Daily weigh-in. Photo your ankles at night for 7 days. Elevate legs 20-30 minutes in the evening. Keep sodium honest. Patterns will surface. Quick favor. Subscribe so these senior-friendly guides don't get drowned out by noise. It tells the algorithm you want facts, not fear-mongering. See rhythm and circulation when the wiring whispers. 8. Palpitations or irregular pulse. Fluttering, pounding, skipping, especially at rest in bed or after bending over. One episode means notice it. A cluster means get evaluated. At home, pulse check. Sit, relax your wrist, 2 fingers on the thumb side. Count beats for 30 seconds. Multiply by 2. Is it irregular or unexpectedly fast at rest? Log it. 9. Dizziness or near fainting on standing or mild effort. Your brain wants steady pressure. Your heart can't deliver instantly. Safety first. Sit, support, breathe. If it clusters with palpitations, don't shrug it off. 10. Cold hands/feet or narrow pulse pressure, small gap between top and bottom numbers. When output drops, the body protects the core and robs the edges. Your fingers tell the story your chest won't. Mini case anonymized. A 68-year-old noticed flutter at night twice a week. He also started pausing on stairs. Within a month, he logged a 6 lb gain. His doctor adjusted meds and salt and the flutters faded. He caught the pattern. You can too. Learning something new today. Comment heart, so I know to make part 2 on meds, salt, and the best 10-minute evening routine. Digestive and specific clues, the silent signals. 11. Abdominal bloating, early fullness, poor appetite. When blood flow to the gut dips and the liver gets congested, meals feel heavy and short. Clothes tighten without extra calories. Track how many bites make you done. If that number shrinks week by week, that's not picky eating. 12. Bendapnea, breathless within 30 seconds of bending forward, tying shoes, reaching low shelves, leaning over a sink. Bending pushes the diaphragm up, raises filling pressures, and the breath shortens fast. Healthy hearts ignore this. Struggling hearts don't. 13. Pattern over drama. One dramatic episode can mislead, but small, repeating hints, ankles at dusk, extra pillow at night, breathless bending, tell the real story. Patterns predict problems. Myth vs. fact, stay curious, not scared. Myth, I'm breathless because I'm out of shape. Fact, deconditioning exists, but worsening breathlessness on easy tasks is a red flag, not a personality trait. Myth, I pee at night because I drink water. Fact, if nighttime trips far outnumber daytime and you also swell by evening, the issue may be circulation, not hydration. Myth, a random heart flutter is nothing. Fact, one is noted. A cluster with dizziness, fatigue, or breathlessness is check it. The home watch plan, printable mindset. Morning, way after you pee, log to the 10th if you can. Glance at ankles. Note breath on first staircase of the day. Evening, elevate legs 20-30 minutes. Snap a quick ankle photo on day 1, 3, 5, 7. Track pillow count. Weekly, review the pattern. +2-3 lb in a day or +5 lb in a week, call. New night coughs, call. Bendapnea popping up, call. Add-ons that help, keep sodium honest. Take meds exactly as prescribed. Gentle walking daily, 10-20 minutes. Keep circulation cooperative. What to say to your clinician, no fumbling at the visit. In the last 3 weeks, I had 3 nights where I woke up gasping around 2-3 a.m. I now need 2 pillows up from 1. My weight rose 3 pounds since Monday. I also feel breathless tying my shoes. Can we check for heart failure progression? Bring weight log, ankle photos, notes on breathlessness, a list of meds. Ask, what's my target sodium? Should I weigh daily? When should I call vs go to ER? Stakes and payoff. Stakes. Ignored whispers become ambulance sirens. Hospital beds steal independence. Deconditioning snowballs. Payoff. Early action preserves muscle, prevents fluid spirals, protects brain clarity, and keeps you living on your schedule, not the hospital's. Final checklist, read aloud with me. 1. Breathless on easy tasks. 2. Extra pillows or waking up gasping. 3. Evening ankle tracks. 4. Scale climbing fast. 5. Palpitations plus dizziness. 6. Bendapnea when tying shoes. If you nodded twice, don't wait, contact your clinician. If this gave you clarity, share it with someone over 60 who doesn't like doctors. Subscribe and turn on notifications so the next Heart Smart episode finds you.